MECS Elderly Diaper Care System. 1. Smart lamp. 2. Sensor. 3. Sensor strap. 4. Sensor strap sticker. 5. Power cable. 6. Power adapter. 7. User manual. 8. Coin battery. Turn on the smart lamp. At the toe of the sensor, slide the switch to the side until the red mark is visible. Open the battery cover and insert a coin battery. Insert the coin battery by hanging it inside the fixing pin and press it. Insert the sensor with the sensing hole facing downward. Insert the sensor by aligning the terminal's socket shape correctly. When the initial installation, wait for 2 minutes for the factory setting to be initiated. Remove the cover of the sticker and attach it on the surface of the pad-type diaper without wrinkles. Attach the strap on the top of the sticker. Regardless of gender, you can attach it on the same position. 1. How to connect the smart lamp to the smartphone. Turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. iPhone only requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Press "Shall we start MECS" button for connection setting. Please check the Wi-Fi name and password in advance. The device is now successfully connected. 2. How to use MECS during diaper changes. When the diaper is contaminated, the device notifies the caregivers via the smartphone and the smart lamp. Depending on the level of diaper contamination, it notifies the caregivers via the smartphone and the smart lamp. You can customize the sensor sensitivity settings to suit the individual usage pattern. The app automatically records the number and timing of diaper changes. When you change the diaper without notifications, you can record it manually by touching Change Diaper icon on the upper right side. Activating the motion alarm button provides an alarm to the smartphone when the patient's motion is detected, greatly helping caregivers to detect falls. 3. Sharing with multiple caregivers. You can share alarms with up to 5 people. Touch the menu and touch Share Device. Touch the plus button and enter the 6-digit member code of the user you want to invite. Up to 5 people can receive notifications simultaneously for more effective care. 4. How to maintenance the sensor strap. Detach the sensor from the sensor strap, turn off the power, and wash it with alcohol or running water. 5. Exploring the MECS app features. You can see the last diaper change time and/or numbers on the main screen. Also, you can see the past diaper change history by touching View Detail button. You can check the battery status by touching Battery icon. It provides status of the currently connected sensor and smart lamp. It shows the current temperature and humidity of the place where the smart lamp is installed. You can check the Wi-Fi connection status and Wi-Fi name. Touch Menu icon on the upper left side. This is used when talking to customer service or sharing notifications with other members of up to 5 people. You can connect multiple MECS up to 5 devices. You can manage the sensor and the smart lamp. You can manage the device, such as changing name, alarm setting, and setting temperature and humidity ranges. You can change the diaper user's information, set the sensor's sensitivity. You can add other caregivers to receive notifications together. Touch the Help button. You can learn how to use MECS easily with images. You can change the general settings of the app, such as passwords and alarm sound. It displays the current Wi-Fi network name, and you can change the Wi-Fi network. It detects the temperatures and humidity of the place where the smart lamp is installed in real time and sends notifications when they exceed the range you set. You can change the temperature unit and set the ideal ranges of temperature and humidity. You can update the device's firmware to the latest version. You can change the name, gender, age of the elderly. You can turn on and off all alarms of the sensor. You can turn on and off the diaper change alarm. By turning on diaper change required mode, you can customize the sensor sensitivity settings to suit the individual usage pattern. It notifies you when the sensor and smart light have not been connected for 15 minutes due to Bluetooth connection, power, settings, and so on. The sensor can detect when the elderly makes a sudden movement. You can display or hide the strap cleanliness indication bar on the home screen. You can update the device's firmware to the latest version. You can reset the sensor to the factory setting and delete all records. Provide care and comfort to your loved ones with the MECS. Your parents are valuable and deserve to be taken care of.